Assalamu alaikum. It's Zain Ali and I'm going to present the progress of my final year project named Blind Eye, which is a smart device to help blind people to walk freely at public places. Besides me, there are two other team members in our group, that is Muhammad Haneef and Umair, who are going to help me on this project, and we are developing this project under the supervision of Dr. Asim Reel. The main problem statements that encourage us or motivate us to bring this idea for our final year projects is to help blind people. According to Health Organization, there are over 276 million people who are visually impaired. So there are a lot of people in the world who need a smart solutions to walk freely at public places. So our proposed solutions have two modules. First of which is going to detect hurdles in the path of a visually impaired person when he is walking at a place, and the second is going to detect fall in case if a person meets an accident and falls, and it's going to send message to his guardian so he can bring helps to him. Let's have a look at the methodology that we are going to follow to develop these projects. The first is hardware interfacing, and that's all we have done so far. If you look at the right side of a picture, that is a prototype that we make, and at the bottom there is an ultrasonic sensor which is interfaced with an Arduino, and the Arduino is also interfaced with a buzzer. So whenever a hurdle comes near to the sticks, then to this stick, the Arduino is going to generate a beep output at the buzzer, so the visually impaired person can hear it, and it will alert him to take precautions that there is something ahead. The second module is to detect fall. For that we use MPU module, that is a gyroscope and an accelerometer module that detect falls that have different coordinate of a place, and actually this module is going to detect fall, and if the fall is detected, then the Wi-Fi module that is interfaced with the MPU module is going to send a message to the guardian of that person. The data acquisition. So why we need data acquisition for that? Actually the fall detection is a bit tricky thing. To do so we need machine learning algorithms. To implement the fall detections, we need to get raw data, and then we are going to perform feature extraction, and we are going to train our module. So to detect fall, we get raw data from MPU module. This is our sample data, and after the data acquisition, we are performing feature extraction on that data. We extract different features like mean, standard deviations, log of energy, etc., and there are a bit other. So after the feature extractions, we are going to train our module, and this is done. This is all we have done so far, that is hardware interfacing, data acquisition, and feature extraction is done, and now we are in the model training mode. After the training of our machine learning algorithm, we are going to perform testing and improvements if there is we can make. This is the final output that we have done so far. This is a stick. When the stick comes closer to a hurdle, it's going to generate a beep, and if the hurdle removes or there is no hurdle ahead, then the beep will stop. And one of our two module is implemented successfully, that is the hurdle detection, and after that the fall detection is in progress, and inshallah it will be done in next couple of days, and that's all we have to present so far. Jazakallah.